Change which learners are working together on group assignments by removing a learner from one group and adding them to another.
This tutorial shows how to add or remove learners from groups or move a learner from one group to another.
To begin, on the Manage Groups page, click the View Categories drop-down list and select the category you want to modify. Click the context menu for the category
and select Enroll Users.
From here, you can modify group enrollments. In the Display category, you can select a specific group to modify or all groups to see all groups and learners at once. If you have a large class list, you can use the search function to locate the user that you want to enroll or unenroll from a group. In the Group table, you can select or clear the checkboxes associated with learners to modify their enrollment in a group. For this example, we will move Aline Souza to a new group so she is no longer in a group of one. Clear the checkbox following the learner's name to unenroll them from groups. Then, select a checkbox following the learner's name to add them to a different group.
When you are ready, click Save.
When you move a learner to a new group, their enrollment in the associated workspaces changes. Discussion posts remain in the previous group and, when applicable, do not count towards the learner's grade. If the forum or topic is associated with a grade item, the learner must satisfy the discussion post requirements in the new section. Alternately, you can override the grade using the Grades tool. Locker files remain in the previous group. Learners must add any files they want to keep to their new locker area themselves. Assignments submitted for the previous group remain with that group. If the assignment submission folder is associated with a grade item, the learner receives the grade achieved by their new group on any group assignment folders. Alternately, you can change the learner's grade to another value using the Grades tool. Change which learners are working together on group assignments by removing a learner from one group and adding them to another.